Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Welcome back my viewers and subscribers. As you can see, I have some things here on the table preparing to plant. As you can see, I have some pine sucker, I have some cane top, I also have some pumpkin that I pick off the farm, you know what I mean. I have some coconut, also pick off the farm. As you can see, I have a pear, I have a coconut sucker, yeah, to plant. And you can see some pan over there, mangoes, I have limes, and I have a June plum tree. I have a pan with water to prepare these cane top into for planting. Alright my viewers, so remember, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Alright, yes, Jamaican Farmers Hut, it's all about farming, my people. So when you hear the name Jamaican Farmers Hut, it's all about planting, growing, reaping crops and all those things. Stick around, don't touch that dial. It's all about preparing things to plant. Alright, okay, I have some cane top here, so I'm going to cut them, yeah, a little bit shorter than how it cut right now. I'm gonna place it in some water here for it to grow root. Once it starts to grow root, it is time to plant. Alright, okay, as you can see, I have a mango seed here. This is how I catch these mango, you know what I mean. Yeah, I pluck the kernel, the mango kernel, out of the seed. Yeah, this is the kernel. Alright my people, hear me now. You eat the mango, but you love the mango and you want to eat more. You put you do it like this. You bust out the kernel out of the seed. This is the trash of the seed, and you place it into a little pan of water like this. Too much water is in here. Alright, you place it into a little water like this. By 5 days time, it's gonna start to grow root and it start to grow leaves. Alright, so this is how, after it start to grow root and leaf, you put it into a pan. So this is it. Yeah, this is an East Indian mango. Alright, yeah, I have a jewel inside here, but it just start to grow leaf, so it kind of cover underneath the dirt. So soon as it grow a little further, you're gonna see it push out. Yeah, these are some lime trees. Yeah, as soon as them grow a little bit more, I'm going to cut a piece of limb off of a lime tree that is bearing. Yeah, so that piece of limb, I'm going to engraft it here on this piece of limb here. Yeah, on this young plant here. So sooner and tie it up. Soon as it catch, yeah, I'm gonna cut it off here and leave that little piece to grow. So soon as that little part start to grow, yeah, that little piece start to grow, yeah, it's gonna start bear, no matter how small it is. You know what I mean? So it's all about, yeah, this is an lime tree and this is a grapefruit tree. 2 grapefruit in one. Yeah, 2 grapefruit in one. This is a June plum tree. As you can see, they cut it before and tried to catch a piece of June plum limb on it. Yeah, it did catch and start to grow, but after a while I take it off. Alright, yeah, look at this one. Yeah, as you can see, this is how you cut it and you place it inside here, but you have to band it up, yeah, for it to catch. Alright, but you have to use a piece of young limb from the tree that is bearing. Alright, yeah, you put it inside here and tie it up. If you have a root grower, you can put it in root grower, but if not, you just put it in, tie it up with plastic and cover the whole thing with a bag, plastic bag. That's it. Put it into a cool shade. Yeah. So these mango tree now, soon as this mango tree reach the size of this piece of stick here, I'm gonna engraft it same way. Yeah. So that means it's gonna bear before the time. Yeah. They cut a piece of limb off of a tree that is bearing already and engraft to that, and it catch. You know what I mean? It's all about coconut. I have a coconut sucker here. Yeah, it's all about 5 years take to grow and start to bear, but if you have a nice tree taller than this where you plant, by 3 years time start to bear. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's all about pumpkin off the farm. Dry coconut, rice and peas, you know what I mean? Yeah, but you don't know. I and I not going at the rice and peas thing. It's all about the ital stew for I and I. Sight? Yeah, it's all about a pear. Yeah, off the farm. Okay, my viewers. Back in the pine. The pine. We are in the pine section right now. This is how you prepare the pine for planting. As you can see, this is the head that cut off the pine. Yeah, this is the head that cut off the pine. So you put it in water for it to catch. Once it catch, you can plant it. It grow faster. Alright, see it? Yes, my viewers. It's all about root. Yeah? And I don't put any root grower on these pine. I just put it in fresh water, like change the water like daily. Good to go. Watch the cane now. Yeah, that's it. That is how you set the cane to grow roots before plant it. You know what I mean? So yes, my viewers. It's all about setting things to grow root to put in the ground after. Alright, this is the third pine sucker. As you can see. Yeah, ready to plant. So yes, my viewers, this is some fresh cane top. Barry, big up yourself. You don't know it's all about. Any entrance you go and you find these things, you always bring them to me, you know. So me always plant them for me and you. Alright. Yes, Barry, big up yourself. Alright. See there? I have some freshly cane top here. Yeah, so I'm gonna cut them, prepare them for rooting. You understand? So soon as them start to root, I can plant them otherwise. Alright, I'm gonna show you how I prepare them for rooting. Okay. So yes, my viewers, it's all about preparing the cane top for planting, alright? For rooting. So make sure you cut it square, round, you know what I mean? Yeah, just like this. Put it into the water. Yes, my viewers. Water. It's all about preparing the cane top for rooting. Yes, my viewers, Jamaican Farmers Hut, it's all about farming, you know what I mean? So you buy a cane, make sure it have on the top, or you cut a cane, you bring the top with you. You know what I mean? So you stick it right in the backyard. Yeah. You set it like this. Into the pan of water. So once it starts to root, yeah. Ready for planting. Why, trust me. The way of the cane sweet. My viewers, the way of the cane sweet. My God, all the top of the cane sweet. You can't make it waste, God no. The way of the cane sweet. You can't make it waste. You can't make it waste, Aya. You can't make it waste. So yes, my viewers, back on my table. Yeah. this is how you prepare the cane top for rooting. Yeah, so by 5 days time, you're gonna see some roots start to push out. Okay, so by 2 weeks time, you can take them out and plant them. Yeah, ready to grow. You know, by 6 month time, you can cut a cane. You know, yeah, it's all about farming. It's all about planting. You know, eat what you grow what you eat. You know what I mean? Yes, my viewers, very easy and simple. The mango tree. From the mango seed, you take out the kernel from the seed, you put it into water. By 2 weeks time, it will start to grow roots and leaves. Alright? Then you can transplant it into a pan. Yeah? Have this one in water for about 2 weeks. Yeah? This one also, but this one don't grow that tall, but it have long roots. You know what I mean? So just waiting for it to start to grow. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, my name is Everton. You don't know, it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. Preparing things to plant. You know what I mean? Yeah. Like the pine for rooting. The cane top for rooting. Alright, my viewers. So you don't know, it's all about. If you have any question, leave it into the comment box below. My WhatsApp number is in the description, so please remember to like, share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. It's all about Jamaica. It's all about sunshine. Peace. Thanks for watching.